In this video, I'll guide you through how to color code tasks in Google Calendar. Color coding is a simple but powerful way to make your calendar easier to read at a glance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to change calendar colors so your events and tasks feel more organized and personalized. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to work with. Once the page loads, you should see your main calendar view in the center of the screen and a sidebar on the left. On the left side, look for the section labeled My Calendars. If you don't see it immediately, it might be collapsed. In that case, just click the small arrow or expand icon next to My Calendars to reveal the list of calendars associated with your account. Each of these calendars can have its own color, which will apply to all the events or tasks created under that specific calendar. Now find the calendar you want to color code. This might be your main calendar or a secondary one you use for things like work, personal tasks, or a specific project. To the right of the calendar name, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the options menu for that calendar. Move your mouse over the calendar name to make sure the 3 dots are visible. Then click on those 3 dots. A small menu will drop down with several options related to that specific calendar. One of the first things you'll notice is a grid or list of color choices. These colors are what you'll use to visually distinguish that calendar from others. From here, simply choose the color you want to assign to that calendar. Just click on the color you prefer. As soon as you click, Google Calendar will update the color for all events and tasks linked to that calendar. You'll see them change instantly in the main calendar view, which gives you immediate visual feedback. If you don't like your first choice, you can always repeat this process and select a different color. There's no limit to how often you can change it. You might, for example, use a bright color for high priority tasks, a calm color for personal appointments, and another color for shared calendars or team events. A helpful tip is to keep your color system consistent. Decide what each color generally means for you and try to stick with that pattern. Over time, you'll be able to understand your schedule just by glancing at the colors without reading every event title. Remember, you're not changing individual event colors here. You're assigning a default color to an entire calendar. That means any new events or tasks you add to that calendar will automatically use the color you selected, saving you time and keeping everything visually organized. And that's all you need to do. Open calendar.google.com, look under My Calendars on the left, click the 3 dots next to the calendar you want to edit, and choose the color that works best for you. With just a few clicks, your Google Calendar can become much clearer, more organized, and easier to navigate.